What's up, guys? It's Wendy, and I'm back again with another scripting tutorial. But mostly, yeah, it's a scripting tutorial. Okay, so this one was requested by a friend of mine. You know what? I just like do one of them, like his name's gonna like appear somewhere, like somewhere on the screen. So yeah, shouts out to him. And so basically, I'm gonna show you how to animate, like how to use the animation. Okay, so Studio should come with uh Roblox's animation editor. That doesn't work for me because I don't know why. If you know how to fix it, please tell me. So yeah, uh, I usually use R6, block rig, mesh rig, anyone. I just use the block rig. I find it looks better. But since his game is basically R15, and it might be, you might want it to be R15. It's the same thing, just the animation for R6 will not work in R15. So I'll just do the R15 one. I don't know why. I hate the R50, but yeah, you could just make a block rig. Boom, then you're good. Okay, my mouse is going crazy, but yeah. So the root part, you want to, yeah, never mind, that's good. So what animation editor I use is I don't know, I found this. It used to be one like this, but with a gold picture. But I started using this one. It says improved version, so yeah. When you do that, it should pop up like this. If Roblox has worked for you, you keep using that one. But I'm just saying this one, I'm used to that one. Okay, so let's just make a simple punch. Okay, like some punches, like 2 punches. So Roblox doesn't have hopper bins anymore, so you gotta instance your own hopper bins. I like using hopper bins because it's better for me, and I like it. It's what I started off using. I don't like tools because your hand goes up. It pisses me off when you do that. So yeah. Remote event. Okay, so basically what I did is down in the command bar, you can view that by going to command bar view, and then you put instance.new quotations hopper bin, capital H, capital B, comma, game.replicated storage, and that should make it pop up. The reason why you have to do it like this is because it's not in Roblox's objects. Where is that shit? You know what? It's right here. It's not, if you type hopper, you see hopper bin is not there because they removed it. I don't know why. For me, it's like a better tool, but yeah. So then you'd copy the hopper bin, name it combat, put it in starter pack, and you add a script, local script, and a remote event, because yes, I'm going to be doing this in filter enable because that's what Roblox wants these days. In script, what I usually do is I make like a folder in replicated storage or lighting, and I name that animations, and I just put the different animations in there. That way, just to keep it neat. But if you want like specific animations, you could just put the animation, the folder in here, and then put all the animations for combat in there. But for time's sake, just put it in here. Then I'll just call this, click this shit, combat, and well, you don't even have to, just combat. Then inside of that folder, you're gonna put an animation, and then you're gonna name that. In my country, we call punches cuffs, so I'll name it cuff 1 and cuff 2, because we like cuffing people. We don't punch people, we cuff them, you know. It sounds weird because I said that one time and this kid was like, no, that's weird, stop being gay, because you know cuff means, like, I guess marry someone. And I was like, oh, you weirdo. I'm not gay. Function just. This is in the local script, so this is gonna be a long video. The reason why I learned that this button down stuff from One Piece Final Age, I think that's the name. It was made by Maple Galaxy. If y'all know, he stopped making the game, and he just left it for everyone to take. And like, so I took a copy, and that was the first One Piece game that everyone knew me for, the Conqueror's Power. So, and then after that, I was like, you know what? Let's make our own One Piece game, Josh. I mean, Wendy. My name is not Josh. It is, but you know, forget it. You already know that. And then, no, not button, on cell mouse. Okay, so this code is kind of like the important one because, okay, so skip the parent dot selected connect function, not connect function, stupid, on cell. Okay, so with hopper bins, you have a thing called selected and deselected. Unlike with tools, you have equipped and unequipped. So selected is like you equip it and like it'll get the player's mouse. It was like other stuff, something like that. And just for safe, you just want to say function on cell button down equals false. Deselected connect on cell. Not uncell, stupid. Decell. Connect decell. Okay. That's just to make sure. Okay, so now get into the animation part. But before we do that, we're gonna get into this just to set this up. So set up here that attack, the connect function pitch. When you're connecting a remote event, you always get the player. That's on server event. You always get the player. So that's always going to be there. No matter what you say, that's the first thing you're going to get. So if you fire it from this and you put a number, you're going to get the player first and then the number. So what I need is maybe combo. Alright, go character. And this is the reason why I don't like R15, because they have two torsos. So the one that most people will use is character the lower torso. That pisses me off because I hate lower torsos. Okay, so what you want to do now is say okay. If combo is equal to 1, then else if combo is equal to 2, then. And so you wanna his foot and his lower ships. I mean, I ain't gonna move all that. Just anchor all those so that way you can't select it. Everything else, you're good. So you want to start off. What most people do is like they start off with the punching pose and just make him punch. But some people, they like to ease in. Like someone I know, Vibes Roblox, he's like a freak for freaking animation. So he has to make sure that the character hands move in the right way, and then he has to punch, and it has to be eased in and eased out. If you don't do animation, I'm probably talking shit in your head right now, and you're like, dude, we're scripting, not talking about animation. But yeah, I just start. My punches are like cartoony, so unless I'm trying to make it look realistic, so usually he'll just start off like this. And I'll just put his hands like this. And then this one like this. Because guess what? I don't give two shits. It's just for video, so. If you could animate like real good, you do you, brother. You do you. So yeah, I start off like that, and then I pick somewhere to make it, and then I twist here. Boom. You could I twist that, but first reset the frame when you twist it. Then twist it again and put his hand out. That's what I do. That's a right punch. Then what you want to do is say export. You don't save animations in. You don't save it. Why would you do that? When I mean save it, you want to export it so that way you group animations. And I'm gonna call it R15 punch 1. This is one you do not click OK. Select the numbers, but hold it down and press Ctrl C a couple times to copy it. Then let go and press OK. Then you want to go into cuff 1 and just paste that. Boomy shaky lacky. That's one animation down. You just do the reverse. Put the left arm in the back. Put the right arm in the front. Twist the shit out of this wrist. And one thing I forgot to say is that you can twist this as well. So that way when you get here, just click, reset. You just twist this one in front. Pull this one to the shits. And then do this to the shits. And then his arm goes to the front. The only thing I could say that R15 is, like, I can praise it for is that we have elbows. Right. So that way, when I see how I'm doing the animation, it'll look more realistic. Oh wait, I forgot. You can play it to see how it looks. See? Just a simple punch. If you want, you can do an in-between of him going back and then punching, but I am not doing that right now. I'm too lazy. And then, yeah, I'm going to export that and call it R15 punch 2. Then you can copy the other one here. Boom. The only thing I would say, I cannot give you my animations because when I make it, it's for my character, like my character. If we was in a group and I made a group animation and you were like a developer, you could use that animation, but only in a group game. People cannot give you their animation. The only person that can give you animations is Roblox, which is stupid because maybe someone wants to use my cool animation. Okay, so go back in the script. And this is what you're gonna do. Local anim equals character.humanoid, load animation, game.replicated storage, the animation dot combat. This is what you want to do. You want to do square bracket, cuff. Then you want to say, sorry, would it be dot dot dot? Well, dot dot, then combo. Then where does it end? 0.5. See, stop. And you do the same thing here. Yeah, you want to script up here the attack. Fire server. You do not put the player in because it's automatically, it already knows who fired it, so the player is of default. You just have to remember to put it in. So you want to fire and give them combo. And then when it reloads the script, it's gonna say if combo equal to 1, then combo equals 2. Else combo equals 1. That way it changes the numbers, so that way it'll do cuff 1, then cuff 2, then cuff 1. And if you want, you could always test that. Yeah. That's about it. Wait, forgot one thing. Not that I'm recording, but when you're you can always change what you want the game to be. Like if you want to be R6 or R15, I'll have to publish this place just so that I can change it to R15. But it should work. So let's see. Most places I'll keep. Naruto. I don't care about that. Yes, I was planning to make a Naruto game. So what? But yeah, should be able to change it now. Okay. You know what? I'm gonna just do it. I'm making a damage script as well. Okay, I still use vicinity damage, which is like how close you are from the attack. But it's not, I'm still trying to learn it, like to make it, to perfect it, because sometimes when I do it, it's like the range is too small, but the ball, like sometimes the ball is big and like it doesn't do damage. So I'm trying to expert, because I'm okay with, I'm like, I'm the best with touch damage. Like I used it a lot, so I know how to do touch damage. It's just I'm trying to do like different ways. So you know, my area of effect damage is easy. You just have to know how to do it. So yeah, no, let's say script up parent touched, connect, function, hit. And you want to say if hit the parent. First, you want to go into damage. This is what you want to do. You want to add a number value. Call that damage, not DMG. And then you want to go in this and put an object value. Call that shit creator. And hit that parent. Low. Since it's R15, it's lower torso. And hit that parent. Find the first child. The bounce is equal to nil. And hit that parent is not equal to script. Wait for child. Wait. Stupid Josh, what are you doing? Wait for child. Creator. That value. Then, yeah. Then you want to say local deb. Equals instance.new rebound. No, bool value. Hit that parent. Deb.name equals game that deb is added to deb. So basically the killer part is like just in case you have a system up, like EXP if you kill a player. And the thing with object values is like it's complicated. Like I'm still trying to figure it out, but I think I have it. So like say like you want to get my player, like the player that like did the attack, so you want to say player equals player equals game that players find first child script dot creator dot value dot name, I guess, because the value is an object and then you get the object's name in the players. Then you want to say if player then print gotcha, and then yeah, and you want to say hit that parent dot humanoid take damage, script that damage of value. You could always put a critical, so like crit equals that around 1 to 25. If crit is equal to 1, then else. If it's equal to 1, it'll do times 2. Simple as that. That's a damage script right there. Boom. And all you have to do is this. Play the animation. Local damage. Script.dmg clone. dmg.parent. Since it's the right punch first, I think, so you put it into character. Right. Is it lower arm? Oh, I could just say right hand. Damage.creator.value equals character. Damage.damage.value. Let's just say punches do 5 damage each. Or your level times 2. You just have to know what you're doing. Mine's will do 5 damage. So the right hand, you put left. Then you want to say, okay, there is add item damage 0.5. And this should work. Let's open the command, the output, just to see. Doesn't do damage to me, does damage to you, and it says gotcha. So I did it right. Take that, this. Like if they die, they give you like EXP. You could say hit.parent.humanoid. I can't spell humanoid. Died connect function. Then you want to say print give me XP boy. And when they die, it should say give you XP boy, but you can change the script and make them actually give you XP boy. So yeah, that's it for now.